Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how you can create professional voiceover for your YouTube videos, or if you are a freelancer then you can create those voiceover for your clients, or you can also use it for your advertisement purpose or for your business purposes. So let's get into it. First of all, I will tell you about a website from where you can do this in just easy steps with the help of AI. So the website name is Murph AI. Okay, so I will go with the voice generator, and this is the website murph.ai. So I will open it. So meanwhile I will also open ChatGPT so that we can have a short script for the voiceover. So let's get a script first. So I have just wrote a command here and it will give us the script. So we can use this script. I'm just using few lines. So this is the website from where we can generate AI voiceover. So let's do first of all sign up here. So I will sign up this website, and then we will be able to use our account for creating voiceover. So I'll sign up with Google. Here I will select my Google account. Click continue, and it will take us to the main dashboard of this website. That's basically studio. So we are using free plan. There's some limitation in the free plans. So here you can select the character you want. We want English accent by the male gender. Okay, we can also select the age group. So we want young one, and we can also select the style. Like we can do it as calm. Okay, so here we can select use this voice. I will click on use this voice, and now I will write down my script, and then you can click on this button to generate an audio. So it's processing. Here you can also select the pitch, speed, and you can also add pauses. So I think our voice is ready. Now let's preview.
You know, sometimes I think we forget how powerful and gentle nature really is. The trees don't rush, yet they grow strong. The rivers never stop moving, yet they carve valleys out of stone. Look,
So as you can see that we have successfully created a professional voiceover. So now you can use this voiceover for your own purposes. So if you want to use it for a commercial purposes, so you have to purchase the license for your voiceover. So that's all about Morph AI, how you can use it to create a professional voiceover for your YouTube videos. So I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.